And I just realized that they have the door on the wrong side. The door is over at that end, so that's going to be a pain in the ass. Hey guys, Machines of Metal here. It's a dreary Saturday here at one of the farms, and I just wanted to show you what I'm working on since it's got to do with lawnmowers. We got these lawnmowers we picked up from the scrap yesterday or the day before, 2 truck and trailer loads, and they're all kind of stuffed in here. Sort of a mix, Craftsman, Toro, and here's the Hondas. And what I've gone and done, guys, is I've rented this bay from that wall to those posts, up to the end of this mower. So from here, basically from here to there, to that side, to that side. But unfortunately, along with that, we've been tasked to dispose of all this garbage. So there's piles and piles of wood and trash and things that need to all go and be put in the big bin outside. All this wood, this bench, I guess. The owner's gone, actually no, not that bench now, I'm just realizing. The owner's gone through and they put a ribbon tag on all the things they want to keep. So we're gonna move all this stuff down to that end. That's the end for the owner. And then we're gonna rent this back end. So we got a bin delivered the other day, yesterday, right here. And I just realized that they have the door on the wrong side. The door is over at that end, so that's going to be a pain in the ass. We're probably going to have to just throw everything into it, not climb inside and stack it nicely. We also have to get rid of this pile here, guys. It's part of the deal, part of the arrangement. All of this has to go. So that's going to go. Yeah, this is the door end. I actually asked the guy to make sure that they set it up so that the door was on this end, but those instructions obviously didn't get communicated. So yeah, that's what I'm up to this weekend. And then what we're gonna do, guys, I still have to make a video about the sea can I rented last summer. I've got a sea can that we're going to take everything that's in the sea can and we're going to put it in here. We're going to move into here. Now I've prepaid that sea can until I believe August. So once August rolls around, everything will be in here. A lot of the stuff will be sold or scrapped, guys. Lawnmower season coming up here in the next 2-3 months. All of these are going to get repaired, sold, or parted out, sold for parts or scrapped. We got some more storage room back here. We're going to clean this up. This will be a nice little spot to put machines, 2-stroke equipment, chainsaws, trimmers, blowers. We can make some shelving, put stuff in here that's ready to be sold. But yeah, so there you go. Just thought I'd make a video. Gonna try and keep the channel producing content this year, and this is part of the lawnmower biz that I'm doing to get things ready for the spring. All right, hit the subscribe button if I didn't bore or scare you away with this one, and I'll make a few more coming up soon down the road. Thanks for watching.